Oh, okay. Good morning, guys. Today I will show the my new stuff right there. This is a new bumper. I just put this over the weekend, maybe last week. Yes, this bumper is the Nismo, the specific for the Nissan Xterra. Also, you can get it for the Frontier also. Right here. And I got the fog light right there, two left and right side, and also I got the one 8,000 pound ones winch, so should be enough for just to pull out from the bad situation. Yeah, that's it. This was the new bumper. Yeah. So how do you guys like it?